Welcome to the project demonstration of AI-driven child safety wearable device. So here the main application of this project is we are going to provide the safety for the children based on the health parameters. For demonstration, we are making use of this temperature sensor. Continuously, it will monitor the temperature of the person, means the children temperature, body temperature. When it crosses the 100 degree Fahrenheit, then this will send the message alert to the registered phone number about his health condition and along with location. So that SMS consists of a location of this children, whether if he's playing in like a park or any outside, then it will send the message alert to the registered phone number along with the temperature of the body. And as well as it has the next feature is if the children is in danger position, then he or she has to press the switch. So when press the switch, then the system will take it as a panic input and provide us the audible alert through this buzzer board as an indication of audible alerts, and send the same kind of message alerts along with the message like children in danger. The panic alerts will be sent to the registered phone number that consists of same location also. And third feature which will took AI, so artificial intelligence, that is for virtual boundary. So if we place this smaller size kit in real time, we'll make this as a smaller portable watch model. So if we place this to the children body near to the body, then if he or she is playing in a park area, then we are going to load these so-called location values in the nearby the house or any park. So when he or she cross the boundary, then the system will detect that he is crossing the boundary, whether intentionally by playing or some other person took him. Then the system will take it as a abnormal condition of a crossing border. Then it will again send the message alert as child crossed the boundary and the temperature and the so-called location values where the crossing boundary was occurred. So these three main features are executed by this Arduino Nano board, which will continuously monitoring of the input sensors, that is a temperature sensor as well as the panic switch. Based on these inputs along with the GPS data, this is a GPS antenna and this one is the processor. By processing that information, it will get to know the abnormal temperature or panic input or boundary crossed. So based on these three inputs, it will provide us the audible alert through this buzzer board and send the message alerts to the registered phone number using this GSM, which consists of SIM card, which should have the SMS balance or main balance, and the so-called status continuously monitoring and displaying on this LCD screen. So these are the main input-output interfaces to this Arduino Nano board. And other is this one is a breadboard, which is used to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the input-output modules along with Arduino Nano board. And this one is the LM2596 voltage regulator, which will take 12 volts DC input from this battery pack. We are using 12 volt 1.5 ampere battery for demonstration purpose, and this consists of 3 4 volt 1.5 ampere batteries. So these three are in series, so we'll get 12 volt 1.5 ampere DC output. So once we provide that using this switch, which will convert that 12 volts DC to 5 volts of DC, that is operating voltage for the whole system. As it's a rechargeable battery, so before demonstration we should keep the battery under charging with the help of this transformer just on the 230 volts AC input to this power cable. Then a transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and it will provide us the 12 volts of AC output to this regulated power supply board. So after this rectification and filtration, it will provide us 12 volts DC, that is the operating voltage to our battery pack. So as I discussed before demonstration, keep the battery under charging at least of 3 hours. So till the duration, keep the battery charger on only. So then we can demonstrate that. So as we discussed, the first step is keep the battery under charging. The next step is insert a valid SIM card. Use Airtel or VI other than Jio. So insert the SIM card as shown here. The notch should be this side. Okay, this one is a push to unlock and push to lock. After that, on the power supply to the kit and wait till the GSM get the signal. So that will be getting from the SIM card GSM light indication. As of now, it is blinking very fast. Once it get the signal, the blinking rate will be slowed down. You can see that now it is slowed down. Previously it's blinking very fast. Now it got the slow down blinking rate. Now we can provide the inputs. So for GPS input, we should demonstrate the kit under the sky view. Then only this antenna will get the satellite vision, so that it will provide us the live location values in terms of latitude and longitude. That's why on LCD it will displaying no GPS signal. So when he or she press this panic switch, so it will sending the panic alerts and the audible alerts and sending SMS alerts. Once SMS sent, we can get this location here. So panic button pressed and the location. As we discussed, we are demonstrating the kit under the roof. That's why this GPS antenna won't get the signal. So here we're getting the 00 values. And the next is temperature. So just we are going to increase the temperature. When it crosses the temperature of 40 degrees centigrade, so high temperature, again sending SMS alerts. Okay, and when we place the kit under the sky vision, it will get the GPS signal of right longitude values and it will process the distance. As of now, we stored our location, and if we are in that circle on the boundary, then on LCD to display that you are under safe location. When we cross that boundary around 50 meters away, then it will provide us the alerts. So let us check with the demonstration outside. So once we place the kit under the sky vision, then we press and hold this reset switch till the LED blinking on the GPS module. We can see that the LED is blinking on the GPS module. That is indication of it got the satellite vision. Now release the switch. Right, see, now instead of displaying the no GPS signal, here we can see the 17 dots latitude value, and this one is the longitude value and the temperature here. So if you press the switch now, right, just click on this. So here is the location directly. Okay, so when we cross this border, now just we will move from here and we will place the kit which is away from this location value, which is above 50 to 60 meters. There we get the SMS alerts. Place it over there now. So you can see this. So we have crossed the boundary. So child crossed the boundary. So we place the kit some other location. So alert, child crossed the boundary. Same, click on that. Right. So we have crossed the boundary. That's why we are getting the continuous message sending to the registered phone number. Right. Thank you.